This is Christopher Oury with Nataris. This is a tutorial video for technicians on how to program your monitor. First thing you're going to want to do is note your buttons down here. You want to click the left one and hold it for 5 seconds, and then the right one and hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. I apologize, my count must have been off. After you do that combination, this menu will pop up. You're going to want to use these arrows to transfer around, and then your plus and minus sign are used to turn things on and off or transition them. Because we are using this in the United States, we will leave the language setting to English, and we're going to select menu to accept those settings. Another menu is going to pop up. This is in regards to your input sections. You want to make sure that everything except video 1 and video 2 is off. Alright, so all other sources are off. Next thing you want to look at is def source switch. Turn that one on, and def source needs to be video 1. This is where your video is automatically going to pop to when the system powers on. So make sure that's on video 1, because that's what's going to get our primary video. Next, select menu again. Make sure your power state is on 2. This is going to allow for that when this system gets power, it automatically turns on. Everything else should be off, and then PC sound should be on. This is only going to be used if the system has a audio device, but still leave that on just in case. Select menu again, and that should bring up this menu. You shouldn't have to do anything in this one, just leave it as it is. And once you click menu again, it will come back to this screen or the screen of the video, and you have completed programming this. The next thing you're going to want to do, power off the unit that you're using to power this and power it back on. You want to make sure that when it powers on, that this unit starts to turn back on by itself. I didn't completely cook that down. And you have now successfully programmed your monitor.